to the channel, or welcome to the channel if you are new. This is the Simply Jazz channel. So while I've been stuck in isolation / social distancing, I have been really bored. So I thought, why not try to dye my hair today? No one's going to see it, so really bad. Why not? So the method we're going to be using today is the Kool-Aid method. I saw this on Nicole Sky's channel and thought we would try it out today. So let's go. What you're going to need is a bowl, a thing of Kool-Aid mix, any color. I chose blue. You're going to pour your Kool-Aid mix into the bowl. Please enjoy me struggling to get the Kool-Aid out of the package. Okay, now I just used a cup of water and a little syringe so that it was easier to get a small amount of water in there, so I didn't put too much in. After you've put your water in, you're just going to mix it up a little bit. After you've mixed, you're going to take a conditioner and you're going to put a little bit of that into the bowl. Going to mix it up until it's the right consistency. You want it to kind of be a little bit like paint. I chose to add a little bit more here. Now you're going to take your bowl of mixture, some gloves, some aluminum foil, and you definitely want to have a better brush, but all I had was a paintbrush, so that's what we're going to use. Now you're going to put your gloves on so that it gets not over your hands, at least as much as possible. You don't want it on your hands. Now take a section of your hair. Place the aluminum foil underneath your hair. If you have a better brush, you probably won't need to put the aluminum foil underneath your hair while you're brushing it, but all I had was a paintbrush, so in order to avoid a bunch of mess, I just painted it with the aluminum foil underneath my hair. So just continue painting your hair, basically. Now you're going to wrap the foil around your hair. Try to make sure that all of the painted hair is within the foil. And then wait about 20 minutes and you're going to rinse it out. Please enjoy this footage of my bathtub. Yeah. Okay, so when you're done, your hands may be a little bit blue, as I'm showing you here. Mine were definitely blue. The camera doesn't even do it justice. They were very, very blue. You're just going to blow dry your hair after you washed it out. And this is the finished product. The lighting was really bad at this point, so there's definitely some dark spots in my hair and it's still a little bit wet. You can kind of see some of the blue streaks, and if you have a proper brush, it will definitely turn out better. There's the final product of the Kool-Aid hair dye. Thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to hit that like button below. And if you want to see more, subscribe to the channel. And also comment down below, let me know what else you would like to see from me. Bye! Please enjoy these bloopers of me struggling. Wait till the motorcycle goes by. I look like a turtle.
Public service announcement. Please wash your hands, and happy Easter. Bye, guys.